My name is Tommaso, and in this video I'll be telling you how long it takes to see results from mewing. Now, how fast you will see results really depends on multiple factors, such as how much you're still growing, how hard you're working at mewing, how bad your facial structure is before you start mewing, and even your diet and how much vitamin K2 and D you're intaking, which are essential for bone remodeling. Now, from my personal experience, I think I saw some small tissue changes at around the 2-month mark, and after around 8 months of mewing I saw some more significant tissue changes. But do keep in mind that postural changes and tissue changes are two different things. Posture changes will instantly make your face look better, but tissue changes do take time. And after around 4 years, you should see some more dramatic tissue changes that actually make a proper difference to the appearance of your face. And as I said before, how fast the changes come really depends on how hard you work at it and how old you are. And the reason why you get faster results when you're younger and still growing more is because the tongue is able to guide the facial bones into the right direction instead of having to push the facial bones into the right direction, and guiding is easier than pushing. And do keep in mind that after the age of 25 you'll see much slower results and slightly less because your bones have fused together at that age. And do keep in mind that for some people the bone fusing might happen at 23 or 24 years old, and for some people after 25, like 26 or 27 years old. It's not 25 for everyone. Although after the age of 25, you still can get results. Now, I hope you did find this video helpful and informative. Please do leave a like below, and please do subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.